Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jimmy. Today we're diving into 5 mouth-watering dinners using just 2 cans, peas and corn. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get cooking. Alright, first up we're going full appetizer mode with some pea and corn fritters. We're talking crispy on the outside, soft and savory on the inside. Grab your can of peas, can of corn, drained of course, and toss them in a bowl. Add in some flour, about a cup should do it, an egg to bring everything together, and some spices. Don't be shy with the salt, pepper, maybe a little paprika if you're feeling adventurous. Mix it all up, form little patties, and fry those bad boys in some hot oil until they're golden brown and delicious. Serve them up with a side of your favorite dipping sauce, and boom! You've got yourself a party in your mouth. Here's what you'll need. 1 can of peas, 1 can of corn, 1 cup of flour, 1 egg, salt, pepper, and paprika. Who said salads have to be boring? Not on this channel. We're kicking things up a notch with a pea and corn salad that'll have you saying more peas, please. Get those cans of peas and corn open and drained. You'll need 1 can of peas and 1 can of corn. Chop up some fresh veggies to go with them. 1 cucumber, 1 bell pepper, 1 red onion, whatever you're feeling. Now, here's the secret weapon. 1/2 cup of feta cheese. Trust me on this one. Toss everything together with a simple vinaigrette. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt, pepper, and you've got yourself a salad that's bursting with flavor and crunch. This ain't your mama's salad, folks. Chapter 3. Soup herb. Feeling a little chilly? This next recipe is guaranteed to warm you right up. It's pea and corn soup, and it's like a warm hug in a bowl. Start by sautéing 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic in 2 tablespoons of butter until they're nice and fragrant. Then, add in 1 can of drained peas, 1 can of drained corn, and 4 cups of vegetable broth, along with 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. Let it simmer for a bit to let all those flavors meld together. Once it's nice and hot, grab your immersion blender and give it a whirl until it's smooth and creamy. Or if you're feeling old school, use a regular blender. Just be careful, that stuff's hot. Chapter 4. Casserole craze. Next up, we're going full comfort food mode with a pea and corn casserole that's guaranteed to please even the pickiest eaters. Start with a layer of creamy mashed potatoes, about 4 cups. You can use instant, we won't judge. Then, add a layer of sautéed ground beef or turkey, around 1 pound. Next up, a generous helping of those drained peas and corn, 1 can each. Finally, top it all off with a layer of shredded cheese, about 2 cups. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. This is the definition of comfort food. Chapter 5. Stir-fry sensations. Last but not least, we're ending things on a high note with a pea and corn stir-fry that's as fast as it is flavorful. Heat up some oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat. Add in 1 pound of your protein of choice. Chicken, tofu, shrimp, whatever you're craving. Once it's cooked through, toss in 1 can of drained peas and 1 can of drained corn, along with 1 cup of your favorite stir-fry veggies like broccoli, 1 cup of carrots, and 1 cup of snap peas. Now here's the secret sauce. A simple stir-fry sauce made with 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Pour it over the stir-fry, let it cook for a few more minutes, and serve it up over a bed of fluffy white rice. Dinner is served. All right, folks, we did it. 5 delicious dinners, 2 cans, peas and corn. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical at first. Peas and corn for every meal, but you know what? I stand corrected. This just goes to show that with a little creativity, you can make anything delicious. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome recipes. And hey, if you try out any of these recipes, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.